at it again, eh? Yeah. And the spliff, you know? And my herbs. Just say it. 101 with self. Consciously reasoning with self. Speaking truth. I love truth, you know. And as we always emphasize, this channel is not for kids, for adults. So yeah, just be mindful of that every time you're tuning in. Again, let me welcome you to another reasoning session. Consciously reasoning with self and whatever the mind, not whatever the mind, whatever the spirit desire, you know. Because wherever the spirit goes, then that is where the mind is going to go. Yeah, that's where leaning on self, yeah, embracing self, trust yourself. Kind of more of a mellow vibe right there, no? Yeah. Kind of on just mellow it out right now, guys. ...2020 vision this year, you know. Yeah man, 2020 vision. A lot of things are going to come, I get clearer and clearer, and people are see clearer and clearer as the year progresses. Watch and see. 2020 vision. Watch and see as the year progresses. If you're not going to see certain things are revealed, and certain truth will rise to the top. Say reasoning session, you know? Yeah man. Lioness Najee, man, again, they're on the proud. Yes, they're on the proud. Yeah man, I just said 101, me and myself are reason with the herbs, you know? Reason as an African. I'm a limited knowledge, I'm a limited perspective of what was available. Yeah man. But the whole of the Jamaican aspect embodied inside, yeah. Feeling in the dark. African roots never did try, they never tried to take with that fabulous so I know not much, you know, and you know, when the eyes just are open to certain things, you know. Yo, feeling in the dark can be fun. Yeah man, feeling in the dark can be fun. So welcome to another reasoning session. Yeah man. It's your girl Najee Mat, you know? Or your lioness Najee Mat. The Empress, I want to go try not to use no other word, no derogatory term every time. You're sliding and thunder by your blood clot to show you the party. Where do we? Yeah man, we're there. But that's one reason for a mellow vibe kind of thing, you know, because just a mellow out with the flow right about now. Yeah. Consciously reasoning with self, but on a different level. Always giving the spirit the steering wheel. Everyone's a spirit drive, And remember, it's not for kids, right? It's not for kids, for adults and young people who wake up or try to wake up and feeling in the dark. Yeah, so from one person just waking up and feeling in the dark to another one. Welcome. And by the way, I am pleased to say that FAIM Hub has launched today our new podcast. Yeah, so you can look out for it or check it out. Check out our new podcast, and it launched with a tribute to Mama Africa. A tribute to Mama Africa from all her sons and daughters. Not all, from her sons and daughters, because I couldn't all of them. From her sons and daughters around the globe, that dedicated songs to Mama Africa. So the podcast is a tribute. That mix is a tribute to Mama from her daughters and sons. Yeah. Mostly sons, because it took a while to find. Didn't find much, maybe because of how the contents were stored as it relates to the topic. But yeah, check it out. It's a nice little musical, rhythmical mix of Mama Africa from her sons and her daughters. Yeah. And also, we're also on Patreon. Yeah, so you can check us out on patreon.com. Yeah. And in the same breath, like, share, and subscribe. But anyway, conscious reasoning itself just a flow, and look, reflect, kind of a little bit of reflection, if you can call it that. I'm scratch body, I have a lot of things get revealed at the end of 2019, coming to 2020. Enough people. Enough people, man. And me always have a little notebook everywhere, so more time I just jot down, I guess you probably might have a lot of person like myself who there's times when things just come to your head and you just need to write it down same time as it come. Cause it just come so fast and hard, you have to just write it down. Yeah, one of them days, one of the book. Yeah. Yeah, man. And I was just I think this me just got ready, 24th of January was when. Them little words that just flow to me. And we just title it the ebb. EBB, the ebb. The tide has ebbed. Don't clap English language, I see. That's why I prefer writing a patois, Alright, let me start again. The tide. You see the herbs. Don't blame the blood clot herbs. Don't blame the herbs. The tide has ebbed and it has flowed. But the greatest observation is what has been washed ashore. what have been saltly preserved and what has been washed and made bare. Time is the master, they say, and maybe they are right indeed, because time do show who is fake and who is real. It's pretty sad though, that after the tide ebbed and the current flowed, you see who you really never know and thought you knew. But alas, again the time assists, for in this time all the joy is mine, and I'm laughing inside at all the Bobby shows. Yes, the ebb minus the flow. The tide has ebbed and it has flowed. But the greatest observation is what has been washed ashore, what have been saltly preserved, and what has been washed, and what have been made bare. Najema Saba Sita Bosha. Some people want to all sort of sit with time. Some people want to fight it. Some people fight time, man. You never know, some people fight time. Right time I fight them. Then you say, hear people say them kill time. How them do? They only fight it to kill it. They are just stab it. The people say them fight time. They kill time. Killing it is. Some people kill time. Some people try to cover time. Some people waste time. Some people bake time. Some people buy time. Some people walk and run against time. But what is time? What really is time? Or when is time? Is yesterday a time? Is tomorrow a time? And is today a time? What time is yesterday? No. What time is tomorrow? No. What time is... At this point in time, what time is tomorrow? At this point in time, what time is yesterday? At this point in time, what time it is for you? What kind of vision do you have? You have a 2020 vision?